let her go. But I'm not going to play that. All right. So if you want to stick around for a minute, I'll see what her attitude is back there. And if she's calmed down a little bit, I'll have my court officers take you into the conference room so you can talk to her and just say, girl, you got to calm down. About this gentleman before I sentence him.
I think you should know that this is the only thing standing getting his driver's license back.
Awesome.
And he's going to be, going to the Secretary of State's office to get his license back probably this week or next week.
Okay. All right. So you're real close.
Yes.
Are you working?
Currently, yeah.
When's the last time you had a job? Where were you working?
That was out of 4 weeks ago.
Okay. All right. How long were you at Menards?
4 days.
All right. You got anything going?
Yeah, I got some side jobs coming. Building a shed and.
Okay. All right. So before you leave the building, at the front counter, the far end, ask to speak to Mr. Taylor and tell him you're looking for work.
Okay.
All right. One of the hats he wears here is he keeps track of everybody local. Well, everybody. He keeps track of a lot of businesses locally that are looking for help. All right. And I see you're a local guy. Taylor. All right. All right. So back to work here. Before I sent you on today's file, it looks like you owe us, excuse me, $510 from a 2024 Van Buren ticket. Are you in a position to get some kind of payment plan set up on that? All right. You're going to talk to Mr. Taylor about those options too. All right. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a Christmas present. Usually on this file, I would do fines and costs of $500 plus late fees. Here, you got a show cost fee, so that'd be $550, and 4 days on the work program as an alternative to jail. Because you're so close to get your license, I'm going to tell you, do the 4 days on the work program, and within 30 days, you're either going to have to pay that $550 or show me a valid license. So literally, I'm going to pay you $550 to go get your license. You understand that? I defy anybody to find me a better deal in a court system. All right, you got it? Go down and schedule your 4 days, talk to Mr. Taylor about employment, and talk to him about your options on the 510. Got it? Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next case you are you're going to go is Jefferson Avalos.
Dennison what?
What's your last name?
Got it.
Go
Go ahead.
Good morning, Peter Bernardo, P78413, MIDC counsel for Mr. Evans.
All right, so he's going to plead. All right, both original charges are going to go away. We're going to do an impeding traffic on the limited access speed, and we're going to do a no valid operator's license on the operating without license.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So how about instead of doing the impeding traffic, which just gives her more work to do, I'll just hit him a little heavier on the money on the misdemeanor. So we're just going to process one file. All right. So the speeding ticket's going to be an outright dismissal. You understand that, sir? All right. And did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand that this added charge carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs? And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? He's not threatened you to take this deal, has he?
No.
This is the deal that you think is best for you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did you drive a vehicle on May 31, 2026 at a location of 94 in Belleville Road? And at that time, did you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied?
Just to let you know that it had expired like a week before I used to go on.
You got it back reinstated?
He has to go to the state, jump through some hoops, get it.
All right. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long you been there? Say again?
I work with Star Car Cleaning
How long you worked there?
last year.
All right, anything else I should know? All right. All right, $500 fines and costs. Can you pay that today or need options? All right, go downstairs and get a smile from the cashier and you're on your way. Good luck with your license. Counsel, I hope your last one is Lewis.
Yes.
All right, Lewis. Go ahead.
Yes, being rock and roll.
Also for Mr. Lewis. Did you say there for the record? Jimmy Lewis Jones.
All right, good morning, Mr. Lewis. You understand your rights and options?
Sure.
And you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yeah.
Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. The deal I've got on paper says you're going to plead to no operator's license on person and both original charges from May 29 would be dismissed, correct?
Yes.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle on that day, sir? And was that near 94 on Wayne Road?
Yeah.
And at that time, did you have a valid license? Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, sir.
So am I. What should I know about Mr. Lewis before I sentence him?
I just wanted to let you know that there are some, he's getting his affairs in order. He's got the 3 other jurisdictions that he's going to be meeting with either later this week or early next week to pay fines and costs for expired tickets. And once that 3rd jurisdiction, I'm just staying with, is done, he should be able to apply for his license.
Okay. You got a job, Mr. Lewis? Where are you working? Okay. How long you been doing that? All right. Take care of your back. So before I get back to this file and sentence you, we've got other files you owe us money on. Let's see, we've got a 2025 registration or plate charge you owe us $300 on. 2025 no insurance, you owe $378. And from that same date, equipment violation, you owe $240. Looks like there's also a seatbelt ticket that you owe from this year, I think. Oh, that's the one we just dismissed. All right. All right. So it looks like you owe us $923. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payments on these?
Your Honor, I suppose he can pay $100 today and then he can set up a payment plan where you can pay $100 a month or more depending on, how many hours.
Okay. Yeah, get that set up before you leave the building then. All right. And once again, I'm going to sentence you on this file, but I've got some other stuff. We've got 2 files from August 4, 2025 from Romulus. Drovo license suspended and Drovo license suspended. Is that right? Oh, one's from May 30th, one's from August. All right, so we got 2 Drovo license suspended charges. We're going to set you up with a pretrial for August 14th on those. That'll work. That'll be 10:20 in the morning. That'll be on Zoom with Judge Martin. So, yeah, we'll get you a paper notice on those, and I'll put you on a personal bond on those too. All right, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 on each of these 2 files for a total of $2,000 if you don't show up for your court date?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand out. Now, anything you want to tell me before I sentence you on today's file?
I'm there.
Hit leave.
All right, Mr. Lewis, on today's file, fines and costs are $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program in lieu of jail time. So that means instead of putting you in jail for 4 days, I'm letting you do work program. We run that program currently, we're running it 6 days a week. You decide which 4 days you want to work, and you schedule those 4 days. Go ahead. That's all right, go ahead.
Yeah, I want to be that. I work full time, so I would have to do this there.
Are you working Monday through Saturday? No, it's an alternative to jail. Do you always work 6 days a week? Or is it like that your shift changes?
I have to do it, I gotta do it, I gotta do it. I take off and get it.
All right, so, and I'll let you spread them out, right? So if you think you can schedule one day off for the next 4 days or for the next 4 weeks without getting in trouble at work, all right. So try to get these 4 days banged out before the end of July. So I'll give you the rest of June and all of July, so you can spread them out a little bit so you're not getting into hot water at work. All right? You got that? Questions? Good luck. Anything ready?
Daria Brown, she's a CSA, she's on your left, she's in person here.
Who's she got? Who's her attorney? Ms. Brown, come on up. What's it?
So you're already, I have these locations, violation probation, I'm going to be the probation.
All right. All right. Good morning, Ms. Brown. Why are you here? Let me figure it out. All right. All right. Let me look at this paperwork.
Judge, I do believe this is something that was on Mr. Lecky's docket. May I come into the courtroom to handle
Yeah,
this?
please. Yeah,
I'll be there.
I just noticed you guys got notice. Yeah, come on in.
I'm going to leave Zoom. I'll be in there momentarily. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, come on in. Your appearances or appearance, Mr. King.
78784.
Go ahead.
And if my colleagues left, yeah, you file and develop, here should be another on our end. My understanding that all of us contacted the complainant and the complainant is not objecting to the expungement.
Wonderful.
People should disqualifying businesses appropriate that people have no objection.
Thank you. All right.
You have to bring it,
Did you bring an order?
just to completely fill out an order for this.
I was not supposed to bring anything.
Okay.
You gotta read the instructions, that's the.
Yeah. I'm gonna grant your order, but you gotta have an order for me to sign to make this happen.
Not so.
Okay, well, it's not our job to tell you how to get your expungement, ma'am.
Take the paper to the court downstairs.
Okay, goodbye. Then we're done. We're done then. See you.
I'm sorry.
And you're leaving. Bye. And you want to argue with me, so leave my courtroom.
I'm asking.
I'm just telling you, it's not our job to tell you how to do this. You've chosen to do this process. We don't tell you how to do that. And I'm telling you, you need an order. So go get an order, fill out the order, present the order. You don't have an attorney. Okay? Attorneys know about orders. You've chosen to do this on your own. You got to read those instructions better because you got to have an order. I'm telling you, I'm going to give you what you want, but I'm not going to do your paperwork for you. Understood? Bye.
Okay, what?
Get out of my courtroom. I'm done with you. Get out of my courtroom. Take her out of here or take her to the jail. I don't care.
You're bad. It's not what.
Get online. Do your research. One more word, contempt of court, 1 day in jail. That's 1 day. That's 1 day. Because you can't keep your mouth shut in my courtroom. Put her in. Put her in. What do you got?
Oh, I'm not sorry.
2 days if you say another word. Shut your mouth and go and sit down. Go ahead.
He's
Okay.
Said that he was in bankruptcy court in Monroe.
Is that the one with Willa?
That was it. It was after they just left. But the girl that was with him did just leave. Do you want me to have her come back in?
Yeah.
Have her come back in.
Yes.
I double checked online, didn't see anything called down to their court. They don't have anything for him. So he doesn't, I mean, based on.
He's been lying
Yeah.
for months.
He even said in the voicemail, he's been attending IOP for this, but like, I don't know.
So now we'll see what she's going on.
Right. Yeah,
Is he scheduled tomorrow?
today. Today. Yeah, he was kind of asking for an aid.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
This is all this person. I do believe that
Mhm.
the bill run to the state, and I've just put the note on the phone.
Good.
They should be in shortly.
Okay. No, they're gonna wait. Okay. Mr. Keene, what do you got?
Judge, I've spoken with, I'm sorry, the meeting's going on. I spoke with counsel on Zoom on Foucher. I understand we're just equally scheduled, and I don't think you put on the record for that.
All right. Who's the attorney for Fauser?
That's me, Judge. I'm ready.
All right. Currently, it's set for today, so I'm assuming we don't want that. When do you want your exam?
I thought it was set for next week at 9 a.m. and that time works great for me, Judge.
It is. It is. You're right. It is.
Those guys are perfectly.
All right. So we'll leave as is.
Yes, that'd be perfect.
For defense, I simply ask that if the defense needs anything, they reach out to Mr. Lang, who's gonna be handling that.
All right. And it's currently set for 9 a.m. next week.
Yes, that works great.
Bond is continued. Ms.
Thank you,
Fauser,
Judge.
you got all that?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. In court next week. Counsel, you got
Okay.
anything else?
No, I received digital discovery from APA King, so I think we're all good.
Okay. All right.
That's me for now, Judge. I'll be here.
Thank you. Who are you?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if she behaves herself for the next hour, I'll let her go. But I'm not going to play that. All right. So if you want to stick around for a minute, I'll see what her attitude is back there. And if she's calmed down a little bit, I'll have my court officers take you into the conference room so you can talk to her and just say, girl, you got to calm down. Okay. I was trying to help her, but it's not my problem if she don't know what she's trying to do, how to do it. Okay. So just have a seat.
Oh,
All right.
thank you. What is your name, just in case we need to know? Tracy Jones.
Thank you, Ms. Jones. All right. We got anything else ready up there?
Miss Sears.
What do you got?
It's an adjournment, Judge.
Oh, you got it already?
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Hakeem for Sears, who's in Wayne County Jail.
All right. Counsel, your appearance for Sears.
Yes, Nadia Hakeem, P number 87799 on behalf of Miss Sears. Miss Sears is on Zoom in the Wayne County Jail.
All right. And we just need an exam date?
Yes, Judge, we do need an exam date, and I also would like to address bond today.
All right. Well, I'm going to need a prosecutor for that. So give me just a minute. We'll get a
Okay.
prosecutor. Hey,
Thank
Mike,
you, Judge.
ask one of the guys to come in and talk about bonds. So either Kaplan or Muhammad.
Did she fall down? She wants to try and talk, yeah, I was.
Her friend's out there waiting. I said, if she calms down, I said, I'll let her out of there. But she's got to calm her things down.
You tell her.
I said, you put her friend in the talk. So don't put the friend in the conference room and she just got to calm down. She makes me rethink my desire to give her expungement. You might tell her that. Me thinks she may still have anger issues.
He's not attending, so people. We like him. Beautiful.
I'm about to do a bond argument on Sears. Who's our MIDC attorney, do you know?
For what?
Oh, I'm sorry, arraignments.
I'm thinking Royce, because Royce is in room
Oh,
13.
is he? Okay. Well, and somebody already grabbed the jail. Romulus was on. Somebody grabbed it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, counsel, let's talk about Sears. Appearances?
And good morning again, Your Honor. Nadia Hakeem, P number 87799 on behalf of Miss Stacy Sears, who appears on Zoom.
All right, so by my reading of the file, bond is 25,000, 10% currently. GPS tether, no firearms or ammunition, no assaultive behavior. That's what I read on the file. So make your argument, Miss Hakeem.
That's correct, Judge. Right now, her bond is set at the 25,000, 10%. To give a little bit more context to this case, the allegations in this case are very closely related to the allegations in a different case out of Taylor, Michigan. That case was already filed way earlier than this case. They're directly related. They all kind of come from the same circumstance and date and times, because of course the charge here is fleeing and eluding. The case out of Taylor, I believe there's two cases out of Taylor. Those are in Third Circuit Court, and her bond in those cases are personal plus house arrest. Originally, what had happened in that case is it was a personal to treatment. Since it was important for Miss Sears to get treatment, she went to Don Farm. After that, she was on a personal house arrest to
Let me
her
stop you.
home.
How long was she in Dawn Farm?
I believe close to 2 months.
All right, successfully completed their program?
So they decided that she needed a lesser form of treatment. So she was then put on a personal plus house arrest. And then my office, NDS, was working on getting her into more mental health treatment outside of that. But then, however, because she was on tether and house arrest, she got picked up very quickly after, because this Romulus case was filed months later. But it's not new criminal activity. It all comes from the same circumstance. So what we're requesting now is just for a personal house arrest to get her back into that treatment that we've been trying to get her into. My office has been working very closely with Ms. Sears. Her bond in the other cases, again, is the personal house arrest. And we are still trying to get her into that treatment. That would be very helpful for Ms. Sears here.
Mr. Muhammad?
The events reflect these modified bond to house arrest.
And lower it from 25,010 to a personal. So the lady can get into treatment. Basically to mirror what's going on in Third Circuit, I think is what you're saying.
Correct, Judge. She was out for a while and then she got repicked up on a newly filed case, but again, not new criminal activity.
Right.
I would have no objection to house arrest with the GPS benefit.
Okay, all right. We didn't pick an exam date yet. So when are you ready to do that?
Judge, I believe we had spoken off the record about July 7th at 11 a.m. That is when I would be available.
Okay, it's currently scheduled next week. Can you do that or not?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay. All right. July 7th, Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah, that works.
Heather, what time you want to set that?
I think, was that the time we chose?
Correct, yes, July 7th, 11 a.m.
Okay, all right, and Ms. Sears, I'm going to change your bond. I'm going to put you on a $5,000 personal with GPS tether house arrest. Got that? All right, you're muted. There you go.
Thank you.
Understood? All right,
Yes,
raise
sir.
your right hand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $5,000 if you violate your bond? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm?
Yes, I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down now. Bond condition number 1, stay out of trouble. Bond condition number 2, be where you're supposed to be as far as court dates. Counsel, anything else?
That's all, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Ms.
Thank
Sears,
you.
just get in contact with me right when you're released, okay?
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Judge. Have a good rest of your day.
You as well.
Mr. White in,
Ms. Sears,
Yes, Your Honor.
when the deputy comes in, just tell the deputy we need Mr. White, please.
Okay.
Thank you for your assist.
is Royce filling in? Are you doing on the hearing?
Royce, are you ready on anything?
Yes, I'm ready with the Huron Township arraignment.
All right. Is that Mr. Stone?
Correct.
Would you waive formal reading for Mr. Stone?
Yep, ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Pretrial July 9 on Zoom, 10:50 in the morning with Judge Patton.
Okay.
Mr. Stone, you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me about bond, Mr. Nunley.
I'd ask the court for a personal bond. This is a false info to a police officer, written or verbal, from 2021. He was just on probation for 2 years, just successfully completed probation and got off. I'm not sure why. He wasn't brought in previous. It looks like he's got some outstanding warrants from other jurisdictions that, he may be dealing with.
All right.
He wasn't picked up because of any new criminal activity. He was getting off of probation, was getting a tether off, and then they said, "Hey, you have these holds, so come
Okay.
on." So,
All right. Are you working, Mr. Stone, or you been in custody too long to have a job?
No, I'm currently not working.
When
I'm
were
laid
you
off from
working
the laborers
last?
union. What's that, sir?
When did you last have a job? Were you working when you went in custody?
2 years ago, I was in the laborers union, 1191.
Okay. All right. I'll put you on a personal. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up? Bond condition number 1, no new charges. Bond condition number 2, be in court when you need to be.
I swear.
All right. Good luck. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, could you give me that case number one more time?
Yeah.